Hi, welcome back to Leetcode. So in this video, I am going to discuss the second problem from today's weekly contest 480. Problem name is reverse words with same vowel and count. Okay. You are given a string S consisting of lowercase English words each separated by a single space. Determine how many vowels appears in the first word. Then reverse each following word that has the same vowel count. Leave all remaining words unchanged. Return the resulting string. So we all know about the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, right? These five actually are the vowels. So, let's see the example one is cat and mice. Okay. So the input string is something like cat and mice. Correct. So here actually how many actually what actually are present in this input string? They mention that all what actually is means placed by separated by this space, blank space. So three words actually present. One actually cat, next is and then it's mice. Correct. So first of all they mention that first of all count the number of vowels present in the first word. So how many actually vowels is present? C is vowel, no. A is vowel, yes. T is constant. So consonant. So only one vowel is present, A. So count will be one. Correct here. Now from onwards, so our answer will be how should I be generate answer? Our answer will be first of all the first word will be same as it is. So it will be cat. Okay. From next onward means from next onward the next words. So next word is and. So it will be either it will be actually reversed or it will be placed at is. What is the condition to be reversed? That if they mention that it will be reversed if uh, the reverse each following word that has the same vowel count. Okay. So if the vowel count of any word like for and, if it is same as the cat vowel count of, then actually it will actually reversed. So how much vowel actually is present in this and a E, I, O, U. So only one. Okay. So both are actually same. So this and will be reversed. So it will be reversed as D and A. Correct. Next, what is actually it is mice. So what are the two condition? Two probability. One is that it will either it will be reversed or it will be same as it in the answer string. So first of all, count how many actually vowel actually is present. M, not a vowel. I, yes. A, E, I, O, C, no. E is yes. So E is a vowel. So two vowel actually present. So is this same as the first word? No. In the first word, how many actually vowel is present? One. Here actually it is two. Correct. So these two actually not same. So it will be not reversed. So our answer is in the answer string. It will be same as it is. So our answer will be cat space DNA, then space, then mice. Let's compare with the output of the example one. Yes, cat, then blank space, then DNA, then again blank space, then mice. Correct. I hope this is the problem statement is clear. So this actually simple means we have to just try to apply step by step what they are trying to say. That means first of all generate all the words from this input string. Okay. That is I can easily generate from seeing the number of by using the blank separate, right, blank space. So now from that actually I will have the all the list of the words, only list of words. So first of all count the first word, how many actually vowel is present in this first word. So store into that. Suppose I have stored in some variable, I have stored this. So in the variable I have stored one for this example. Now our answer string, this is also string, so it will start from empty. So in the first word it will be same as it is. Correct. Cat will be placed in the answer string. Now from next onward, other actually says okay for next word is end. So first of all again count the vowels for and. Okay. So it will return something x, that how many actually vowel is present. So I'll compare with that x equal to where So if it is actually equal, then actually reverse the word, current word, and place this into the answer string. Otherwise, whatever the string I have, place that in the answer string. Correct. Again, next go to the next word. I will from this count vowels function, I will pass the mice, and I will get one x again, that how many value is present in the input string, and I will compare that x is equal to the variable. Variable actually is the how many vowel is present in the first array. First word. So if it is same, both are actually equal, x equal to var. Again, actually I will reverse this. Otherwise, I will place the this word into the answer string as it is. Clear? Okay, right? So now go to the code. So first of all, I have to take one string to actually generate all the word by using the blank space, right? So that's why I pass the input string s into the string, and there will be multiple word actually possible. So vector of string, and current string will be current word, it will be stored in the temp. Okay, so in this function you all know that how to generate word from in string of words by using the string, right? So in the getLength function, I'll pass this input string ss. This is the name is ss, and temp to store the current word. Okay, and see the next blank space, and whatever that temp string actually I have, that will store as a new word and store in the list of these words. Correct. So it will store into the words vector. So after this while loop, in the Java also, if you're using Java, then actually you can also have some function, something kind of string to generate all the actual word from input string by using the blank space. Okay, this is just to generate words, nothing else. Okay. So after this, after line number 19 in the words vector, I have all the words like from left to right. Cat, first it will be cat, then ant, then mice. Okay, from this example one. Now first of all, count the how many value is present in the first word, because that depends on the other word also, right? Because I have to compare that. So that's why for the first word I have actually created one function getVowels that actually return the how many value is present in the input string. Any input string, it can be any input string. So I'll pass one string word 0 for the first word, and I'll store this how many value is present at the first word. Okay, now they mention that it will be applicable only from the next only from the second word. So that's why whatever the first word is present, I will store this into the answer string that I have to return, because it will not be applicable at the first word. I mean, it will be applicable means the reverse. It will not be, the first word always it will be the same as it is. Reverse condition is present only from the second word. So that's why word 0 I will place into the string answer. Okay, so in the answer string which I have the first word means cat will be placed at is. Okay, from the next one onward means the next word it will be end. Okay, so that's why I'm start from I is equal to 1 and it will go to the end of the or how many word is present, length of the word. So first of all, count the how many value is present in the next current word means end. So I'll pass end and I get the how many value is present in this string. So if this temp vowel is equal to, so the vowels is present for the first word. If it is equal, then it will be reverse. They mention otherwise in our word will be placed as it is in the answer string. So that's why if it is equal, then it will first reverse the word, whatever the actual current word is present. Okay, this function is used to reverse the current word. Means and will be reverse first. Okay, DNA. Okay, now whatever this is in place means what is already changed to DNA from and. So whatever what is present, so it will be stored into the answer. You can actually here actually you can see that first I will add the blank space, then actually current word, because I've already stored cat. From the next onward, I know that this is the second word, so I have to I have to place the blank space also before that. Correct. So that's why I've just adjusted this, nothing else. And in this actually I will actually check all the words from left to right, means from and first and then mice. In this I will continue. So if the in place I'm reverse this in string in the in place, so either it will if block will be run, it will, otherwise it will be false. Correct. And ultimately after checking all the words, actually return the whatever the actually answer string actually I have. Got it? So I hope this is clear. So get values is nothing complicated. Here I will just iterate all the words in this input string. So I have taken one counter variable, it is initialized to 0. So I'll see that if the current character is A, either it will be E, either it will be I, or O, or it will be U. So if any one of these actually true, then actually I will increase the counter, means vowels. It actually increase counting the how much vowels is present. So after this for loop, return this counter variable value. Got it? I hope this is clear. So you have any doubt, any suggestion, you should comment on that. And if you not subscribe, please subscribe the channel. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video.